Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of Sarah's Kitchen. In today's video guys, we're gonna be making bhajia. Stay tuned guys. You can see I'm starting off by peeling my potatoes and then I'll be cutting them in a round shape. How is your week guys? Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Also turn on your notification down below so that you get to see when I post any video. So guys, I'm done cutting my potatoes. You can see, yeah, like that. So I'll be using garlic, coriander, salt, wheat flour and food color guys. So we'll start by mixing all of them together, starting with the flour. Just like what I've done, we go on with salt. From that you go in with garlic here, as you can see. From there, that's when you go with coriander, the next thing, like that. And then after that we go in with food color. So yeah, as you can see guys, so from there we'll mix them like that. After mixing them, that's when we go in with some water, and we'll add the water gradually depending with the bhajia that you will be cooking. Yeah, like that. So I've added my water, and then you mix well. You can decide to use your spoon or whiskey mixer, whichever works for you, provided your mixture is smooth. I don't know whether it is making sense. Yeah, something like that. So from there, that once we are done guys, that's when we go in with potatoes, with bhajias. Yeah, also guys, suggest what I should cook next, or what you think it's the best food for me to cook for you. Yeah, like that guys. So I'm done. My next step is going in with my potatoes like that. I'll just dip them, and then from there I'll dip them in my oil guys. Also note that you can also use turmeric if you don't have food color. Yeah, you can go and try the recipe and then let me know in the comment section. Yeah, also kindly subscribe, watch and share my channel, my YouTube channel guys, so that we get to grow together. And also I will be watching each and every video that I will be posting. So guys, I'm mixing them well, yes, so that it can get the color. My potatoes can be coated with the color like that. Yeah, and also if there is any question you can be asking me. Yeah, so guys, once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and heat my oil until it is hot, and you can see it is hot. That's when I'll dip in my bhajia like that, and then like that, and let it cook until they are well cooked. And also you can let them cook until they are crunchy. Yeah, so guys, you'll repeat the same process to the rest of the potatoes, and just like that you are done. And then guys, thank you so much for always coming back to subscribe to my YouTube channel, coming back to watch my videos, and also sharing. I don't take it for granted. And we hit 2,000 subscribers guys. Yeah, so I ate my bhajia with salad. I didn't remember to show you. and they were so delicious. So I highly recommend you guys to go and try the recipe. And that's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next one, and I love you. Bye.